was going to Dollar Tree, but there's a Ross next door, and I heard that they had these Anthropologie glass dupes, but I was looking for the picture and I don't see it, unfortunately, but I did find the glass. They also have the little skulls, but I don't want the skulls, I just want the backs. In Dollar Tree, I started shopping. By the way, I started shopping with my little mini composition notebook. The obsession is insanity, okay? So I have my little like Dollar Tree list right here on this front page. So I'm gonna show you all this in what's in my purse video, which I'm not doing quite yet, but I'm looking at cards. I'm back home and I scored some great mugs finally. I feel like the mugs that kind of came out this year weren't as like my style as they were like, I guess, the new trend with like purples and pinks. Totally cute, but you know, not me. But anyways, I did find some good ones, and then I went and had to secure the backyard. Doesn't look like it, but it's like really windy out there. I think it like calmed down for a second, but like my rug is coming up and I just kind of like covered everything and moved everything aside because a huge thunderstorm is rolling through. So just took care of that. The lighting in the house is darker just because of the storm. Here's Loki. Play I Love Lucy.
Here's I Love Lucy Season 1, Episode 19.
You're crazy.
Hey guys, welcome to the third episode video. I'm going to share some thoughts
Come on. Alright, it's Loki's birthday today, and Mike and I came here so we can get him some treats. We tried to bring him, but Loki is actually not liking car rides anymore. I don't know why he's not liking car rides anymore. This happened way before going to the vet, by the way. Yeah. Wow. It started long before the vets.
She's not breathing.
Okay, I want to get him like a bunch of things. So let's get a little baskies. We're not getting a cat. Okay, should I get him one of these? Yes.
These don't hurt his stomach?
No.
No. Tongs.
Oh.
Lamb crunch treats. I'm gonna get him the little cookie because these are supposed to be good for him. See if you like chicken doggy bagels. I want to see if they have one of those freeze bones. My guy? What? If they have one of those freeze bones, where you put food in it, you freeze it, it's like really good stimulation for them. Oh, the dragon's so cute. Why does it cost that much? They're like $5. What is wrong with them? Yeah, and guess where they got them? Oh my god, they're literally marking them up so much. No, we'll get them toys somewhere else. Yeah. Well, let me see if they have the freeze bones though. These. See? Whoa.
Oh my god, Michael.
Did I just unlock it?
Yes, I totally forgot about them. Look at the weird
Tiger barbs.
baby.
These are blue dolphin.
Look at this white one.
Albino.
Look at this one on top of the car. Look at him.
They're like almost cat. Yeah, they are catfish. See, I hope my kids like want pets. Like, I'll get them for them.
No, I'm not coming over. Look at him looking at you.
Except snakes. No snakes.
No snakes.
But like a gecko. Oh my god, is there a tree frog in here? Probably camouflage.
This is giving me the creeps. Like
it's
I
just a hermit crab.
Those are snakes down there.
Oh, I see him. You see him, Mom?
Yeah.
Oh, they're glowing. You know, this reminds me of Pandora. They're like bioluminescent. I'm gonna do the spider.
We're definitely gonna do
And he needs a cannoli.
buy 4 more and get 10% off. So we're gonna do that.
He's Italian. He needs a cannoli.
Yeah. No, separate. What? Separate bags. Ghost. And a bat.
Do you think he, since we give him pumpkin, he would like the pumpkin?
Yeah, get him a pumpkin. What do you think about the shark?
Nah.
What about a donut?
Donny.
A donut.
That looks like he'll throw that up.
Okay. That's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or should we do like a little one? Look at this one. This one. Wait, what are these cups? Oh my god.
Puppylicious peanut butter?
Yes.
Is he like?
Get another one. Get another.
Here.
Get this. A little box.
How many yaks? You're cleaning it up.
Should we get... Should we do...
Do you want one of these little ones? I think this is enough.
Oh my goodness. Look at you. Yeah. It's baby's birthday.
It's felt like 21 years. Like the dog smells so good. This is a cute house. I like the one.
Good morning, guys. Today's the best kind of morning when it's overcast. Well, it's the second best. The best is when it's raining, but I'm sure it's gonna rain later. But I just got up. I already changed out of my pajamas. And I'm doing my normal everyday routine. Here's Loki. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing because I'm about to go for my walk. I pulled out my 2-piece, like sports bra, and then biker shorts. I'm wearing this shirt because it's just like oversized and it's blue too because this is navy. I've definitely been losing weight. The walking is working. The 10,000 steps, it's working. And I really haven't even been doing it for very long, but I feel like I'm losing weight. So, not like in abundance because I just started walking, but I can definitely feel like I've done 2 weeks worth of walking 10,000 steps, maybe even a little more. And I feel like I've lost like 3 to 5 pounds. So, anyways, let's take a look outside. Come on, let's go. Oh, it is raining. Come on, come. Let's go outside. Oh. Come on. Good boy. He threw up on his bed, so I had to put it out here. It is raining. Oh, I guess I won't get to walk right now. But that's okay. Let's just sit here and enjoy the sounds for a minute.
Here's I Love Lucy Season 1 episode.
Good morning, guys. It's been a peaceful, rainy morning, and I wanted to do this part on camera. This is my current makeup bag, but I had a palette in here that had like a red eyeshadow, and it like busted all in here. So, and it's created such a problem. It's like gotten all over my fingers, and it's gotten on my face as I've been doing my makeup. It's gotten all over my brushes. And so I also wanted to order some brand new brushes as well. And so I got these from Amazon, but they sell them at like Walmart and stuff. But the Real Techniques, and then this one has like some more brushes in here. I'll link these just in case. Then I got a new bag. I got these from Temu, has a little handle and it's clear. And I wanted to also condense my makeup. I don't want to like carry as much. I really just want to like focus on putting in exactly what I always use or like grab for. So I am gonna use, what do I do with those? I need some wipes because I need to clean the makeup before I put it in here because it's got all that stuff all over it. So I wanted to use these. These wipes are from Dollar Tree, Global Beauty Care. I think they're supposed to be a dupe to the Bubble brand. This is the daily cleansing wipes, so I thought these would be great. So I'm gonna go ahead and decide what makeup gets to move over here. This is my bronzer. It has to go. I am gonna try a new bronzer, even though like this one is my favorite. I think I wanna try the classic Hoola bronzer. And this one I actually use as eyeshadow. It's like my leftover bronzer. This is my powder. I haven't changed my powder in such a long time. This is the Fit Me Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder. Mine is in the color 10 Fair Light. And from what I've seen, a lot of like beauty influencers, they really love this one too. So we're gonna bring that one over. I'm gonna bring over my Pixi On The Glow Bronze. Yeah, I really like this. So we're just gonna clean it up. So dirty. I just really wanted like a fresh new start. This is my foundation, but it's a BB cream. It's the Maybelline Dream BB Pure in the color 120. I'm actually out of it, but I'm gonna start cutting them open and like literally scooping everything out of it. I saw someone do that. I was like, oh yeah, like I'm sure I'm throwing away actually a lot of product at the end. So there's that. This is my mirror. This was actually my grandmother's and I love this thing. It is how I always apply my mascaras with this. It has like a close-up zoom mirror and then like a regular mirror. This is my mascara. It's the L'Oreal Lash Paradise in black. I don't think I'll ever stray to a new mascara. There's just no way. This one is the best that's out there. This is my blush. It's the Milani Luminoso. And I pretty much use a peach blush most days. I haven't had much success with like pink blushes, but, and speaking of pink blush, this is new. I got this, I think, from Five Below. These are the LA Girl Velvet Blush. So I haven't even opened up this one. But we're gonna bring it over just so I can start using it. And then here's this one as well. I think it's just a different color. It's like more of a peachy golden. I'm gonna bring over my Dollar Tree LA Colors lip gloss. And I'm gonna bring over this e.l.f. blush in this pink color. And my little bronzer stick. I haven't even used this yet, but this is Physicians Formula. I love my NYX Professional, or this is the Tinted Brow Mascara. I really like this, so. Then I'm gonna bring over my Maybelline lipstick in Mauve for me. Mauve for me, I don't know. And of course, my eyebrow pencil from Dollar Tree. My other one. my eyeliner. This is in Infallible. I guess this is Maybelline, I think. It's in like a brown color. This lipstick right here, I really love this lipstick. It's like a peachy color, and it is L'Oreal in the color Cherry Wonderland. That's interesting. I'm gonna bring over my clear brow gel by Ioni from Dollar Tree. I really like this as well. I've definitely noticed an improvement in the staying power of my eyebrows, like when I use this clear gel. We're gonna bring over this lip liner. I'm not like a lip liner girly, but I'm gonna try to wear it a little bit more often. So. My camera just died, so I had to go get another battery, and I wanted to show you guys Loki loves to sleep like that with his head under the table. I don't know why. But all right, let me show you guys what made it over and what didn't. So I think the last thing my camera cut off, I also brought over this Superstay Maybelline ink crayon in this color, and then this is a Thrive Cosmetics lipstick, and then this is the Be Pure lip jelly. What color is this one in? I forget what color this one's in, but I really love that. And then my e.l.f. Lip glosses, so those also came over. And then these brushes are just like, you know, I'm just so used to them. I love them. My eyeshadow brush, my blush brush, my under eye brush, and then my like liner, because I add liner with eyeshadow and not like whatever. I love these brushes too. I'm just gonna clean them. And then here's kind of like what didn't make it over. Some like extra brushes that I just never like got into, broken brushes. I really haven't liked this Carmex. There's other ones that I like. What is this? Oh, wait, what is that? Oh, this is for the brows. I need to bring this over too. I thought it was glue or something, but I need to clean this off and bring that over. Wait, what's this? Oh, Makeup Revolution Lover. Oh, I think these go together. Those go together, so I'll have to like clean this up later. But yeah, anyways, so there's that. Here's my new one, and then I'm also gonna add my new brushes to here. All right, so I have everything in here. Plus, I need to wash these. I didn't want to put them in there, but this is what I was talking about. Look at that. See, all that eyeshadow got all over everything in there. So I need to wash them. They're gross anyways. And I'm gonna add them to this pack once they're clean, but that's it. Got that task done. I've been needing to do that for like a week now. I've had all of this ready and I just wanted to make sure I filmed it. But anyways. And now it's time for me to get ready for the day. I oiled my hair last night, and so now I need to take my shower, get ready, and I'm gonna film a Dollar Tree haul. It's also time for me to restock another one of my bars in the shower because I literally am completely out. See, this is all that I have left. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in a new one.
money do you make?
140,000 salary and around 300 a month from salt. Look at you in the slobber, my little friend.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Stinker Butt.
It's baby's birthday. You send me that?
He's like, guys.